Welcome back, kids. Harbinger here, and you're watching Game On. We're gonna go ahead and take this shit to the high school now, cause it wasn't hell enough, right? Right. What happened at San Romero High? Start this stage? F yeah. Let's do it. If you kill stronger zombies in sparkle hunting, you'll get medal bonus. Oh, I know all about that. What you know about that? Say what you know. Even when you're down, a Nick ticket can save the day. Nick ticket. Nick ticket. Nick ticket. Nick ticket. Nick ticket.
Nick.
Whoa. Julia? What?
Hey, girl.
Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good.
Uh-oh.
Julia, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
Nick, I had to.
Oh God!
Oh.
Fuck! Ah, God!
Stop
Where's
yelling.
my fucking body? Oh, fuck!
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed a magical ritual on your head. It was
What?
really hard, and I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Seriously, dude.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
Good question, Nick.
Well, there's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Come and kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What?
That's convenient. Oh, what's up, girl?
Fuck!
Do the damn thing. Alright, here we go. Now I got a head on my butt. Okay, you wanna know the reason why there's so many zombies in here with us now? I'll tell you why. Because Nick did one of the things that I'm going to talk about not doing on Zed Talk, and that thing is panicking. For anybody who's watching this, you wanna know what Zed Talk's gonna be about tonight. It's about not panicking. I say don't lose your heads. I fucking mean it, okay? Not only... Well, I better save that for later. But don't start fucking yelling. If there aren't any zombies in the room, guess what? There will continue to not be any zombies in the room. Keep your mouth
Not a
shut.
stupid zombie?
That's how long it takes me to kill one zombie. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh my god.
Something exploded. What the hell was that?
I don't know. What was it?
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
What up? He thinks he's the juggernaut.
Kind of math sucks.
Silly teacher. Oh! Oh, that wasn't good. Ah! Don't launch your head at me. Because of you. Test time. No, come on. That's totally unrealistic. No one's ever that excited about a test. Aha! Oh, killing it. Literally. I'm literally killing it right now. Fuck up off me. Oops. Okay. I wanna. Oh, check out the artwork.
Bomb?
That's royally effed up.
Heat a bomb. Look at that. Look at that color. Nice gradient. I like it. Okay. Rich Hunter. Oh no! Look at all those zeds.
Don't worry, I'll take care
they're
of them.
done for. She's definitely done for. This guy? Oh, alright. Well, he did alright. Kinda did alright. You get away from my friend! Yeah, alright. Not too sure. Run, yeah. Okay, alright, okay, here we go. Wait, there's more. Yeah, okay. You, all of you sneaky bums. Oh, this righteous, totally righteous. Sorry, I gotta get this candy. I want candy! Bubblegum taffy! That's all I know of it. What is locker change? Okay, don't do all the locker change. Hey, what's going on? You still need help? Are you serious right now? You could just be dead. Thanks. Okay. We're gonna talk to a guy. What's going on? Hey,
Let's
how you
go
doing?
hang out after school.
Yeah, alright. I mean, I had a birthday party planned, but you can come too. You want to. The more the merrier. Oh. I need to buy some combos. Oh. Take it, hoe. Haha. And F this lab too. Oh, this lab can just... Be dead already. Jeez. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. You guys want to hear a corny joke that I just thought of?
My path pass.
What did Icarus say when he was flying too close to the sun and then his wings melted?
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
Oh man, this is absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, it was pretty bad.
Last week.
Is that actually ridiculous? Oh, you're not ready for it, bitch. Oh, what is up? KO. I can't get my voice that deep, but you know what I mean. Give me your money. What's happening? Oh, Zombomb. That's gonna be a headache. It's definitely gonna be a headache.
Fuck.
Where did that guy go? Did I get my money? He better have paid me.
Why would
We're gonna have
somebody
some
do that?
problems. We're gonna have some serious problems. What's down here? That flip though. Oh, look, cops. They should help, right? Wrong. Cops will not help you. These cops don't even know how to handle a zombie apocalypse.
That'll make the 5
Can't
o'clock
handle
news.
tweens. Can't handle pedestrians. Can't handle their shit. And this is probably not all cops, but here lately, das policías have been going muy
This
loco.
zombie might work. Hey, Nick.
So good at
We need
Spanish?
to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
I know some Spanish.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
Oh, that's
Like
convenient.
maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
It's gonna make for some seriously strange relationship terms. Is this a first date? This is zombie first date?
Whoa. Whoa. This feels
Oh.
weird.
Oh no. Okay. Well, I missed the last one, but it doesn't matter. Don't lose your head.
Nick,
He
look.
did, get it?
If I use
He
this
did, he
ticket, I
lost
can
his
totally
head.
use your
The
cool
first game I
powers.
played, he was just a
Whatever,
head.
dude.
Correct me. Oh, that
I
was
wonder
a
what they
hiccup.
have.
Awesome skills. I want awesome skills. Okay, so the reason these skills are already bought is I played this earlier and
What should I
it
get?
didn't record my audio again. I did it again, you guys.
That's it!
I didn't mean to. I'm still getting used to this. So I decided this time, instead of trying to be fancy and do the audio on Audacity, I'll just do the whole thing
Check this
on
out.
this.
Check
This
this
being
out.
hoppage. Dream Lollipop is great. I call it Lollipop, Lollipop, oh la 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 la. This is gonna be stuck in my head. This song is gonna be stuck in my head forever. I'll save you. Excuse me. Get off of me. Yeah, I did it. I am Tigritas. There's probably somewhere behind me. There you are. I knew we'd get here eventually. Oh, there's Nick. Keep it simple. No, mine coins. Yeah. What's going on?
Late, Juliet.
Hey man. I made it on time as far as you know. You don't get one!
Rick, those jerks trapped us in here.
I see a lot of potential for some sparkle hunting, but I'm kind of a... Ha! Boom! Headshot!
Thanks a lot.
Thanks, guy. Oh, he's a zombie cop.
What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Fucking lame.
Ryu, there's a check mark above his head because I've killed him. And because I've killed him already, I know that I can kill him again. Ow, that hurt. You're a bitch. Don't do that. Ow. Oh, it's probably eat a. Oh, no, 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 I don't know what's happening. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh my god, thank goodness. That was close. You see that? You have to watch your health, people. Lollipops. Yeah, my chainsaw went straight through his head.
Dying hurts so bad.
Oh, okay, I had it. It was just being silly. Alright. Oh, hey guy. Bye guy. Didn't see that coming. See, these zombies are a
Their
lot...
bodies are racked with bombs.
They're just a lot more
We need to hit 'em and run away
dangerous
before they
than your
explode.
run-of-the-mill
Run!
walkers. Or, you know... Ha! You missed me. Oh shit! Okay. Alright. What do I do? What do I do?
What the
Oh,
heck is
okay.
this?
Alright. Look at the little Grim Reaper. He's so cute. Oh, that was another hiccup. I don't know why I hiccup. Do you hiccup? Why do you do it? Something about swallowing air, right? Something weird like that. Oh, what's up, girl? Don't you worry. I will save you. Oh, they're gonna blow. Over here, do it over here. Yeah. Death. You're fine. What's wrong with her hand?
Those zombies totally pulled my underwear up my butt.
Oh, she has wedgie hands. This is oh, zombies, you crack me up. I wonder if there's I wonder if zombies would actually be able to talk. I mean, you don't think that they would, but they're fairly coherent. Granted, I know it's just a thing. Well, we'll find out when it gets here, won't we, folks? Folks. That's a fun word. Is my accent bad? Do I sound more country than normal? I feel like I do.
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus.
I don't really know. I can't hear it when I'm by myself. Earlier today, Justin was making fun of me because I said some stuff, and apparently I sounded really country because then he said it and sounded super country. Why are you yelling at me? Okay, see, you're yelling before anything happens. Just hold the fuck up. Couldn't even hold the door for me. It's not very nice. Oh, data bomb. What's happening? Oh, young love. Ah, that's nice. Okay, alright. Oh. Triple fall. Dance like a triple. Right? That's how it goes? That's how it goes? That's the only part of it I know. And I only know it because of violence. This is the best. I wish this would have happened when I was in high school. No! Don't you dare. Don't you effing dare. Ha! That's what I thought. Awesome. Hey guys.
Professor Campbell
so got a spare change? I would very muchly appreciate it. I wish that I could just beam out of this. Could they just beam me up? Oh no, what's happening to you? Oh, wish I could have saved you, but somebody wouldn't hold the
That's the
fucking
dude who
door.
stranded us. Yeah, he's getting what he deserves.
You said it, Nick.
Or we could.
Ha. Yeah. Hey, what's going on? You okay? You need an inhaler?
Juliet, I'm so totally gonna masturbate to you tonight.
Thank you? I guess? It's a compliment, right? And you can't just be like, no, don't. Because then he'll just be like, hey, still gonna. Whatever, dude, do what you have to. I'm so very happy.
So what are you gonna do now, Juliet?
Watch me, Nick. Not even.
I'm so very happy when I rob your mansion. When I call a cop, you call a fire station. That's a good song. Have you heard it? It's called Konnichiwa Bitches by Robin.
You're
Pose.
already dead.
Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. That's pretty good.
Juliet,
And
where are
I
we
saw
going?
some coins.
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Sensei.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well, I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay.
Well, now he is like a kitten. You just carry him around everywhere. What's up, boy? He's so cute. Morikawa Sensei. He's my sensei. Oh, sorry. stop how it works again. Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down, and down, baby. Yeah. All the coins for me. 18? Damn. Any of these things? Ooh, Lollipop. Collectible.
There's something else written. It says zombie basketball. Time limit 3 minutes. You lose and blam.
Okay. Oh, that one's gonna have to stay there.
What? Game's already started.
Zombie
Son of a
basketball. Time you're killing of zombies. How many points can you rack up?
More than your mom.
It seems like a one-sided game.
What do we have here this time? Basketball?
Okay.
Why basketball? Just don't throw my head into the hoop.
Time to get to work.
Oh, you're gonna drop a C-bomb. I don't like you, man. I don't like you a lot, man. Let's go.
3 points. 3 points.
4? Aw, move. Group them together.
Fantastic.
Cheerleader. Oh, I thought they were friends. Theme music.
Nice shot. Fantastic. Wow, what a turnaround.
I did it.
The zombies are getting slaughtered.
I got really
Incredible
quiet. I
game,
was
Juliet.
concentrating.
Can't wait to see you in action again.
Okay. Thanks, random announcer guy. You're the greatest.
Where's that voice coming from?
Give me the coins. All of the coins. Fortune for quarters. I love quarters. Give me a quarter. I'll read your palm. Sultan? Yeah? Mommy! Mommy!
We need to get out of here.
Snapple. Okay. For you. Just in time. I'm gonna go shopping. Pick up some stuff. What's happening?
God, I love
thought it
shopping.
froze for a second. Any skills? Can I purchase me some more mad skittles? Nope.
That's it!
Alright. Health. See how I'm focusing on the important stuff?
There it is! There it is!
Fruit poot. That's gross. Donkey fruit crepe. Cool.
Click, click.
Ba-boom, boom, boom.
Let's go!
Oh, eat a lollipop. And buy a lollipop.
Time to shop! I found something! Well,
It's gonna be stuck in my head. It's horrible.
okay!
Yeah! Sparkle hunting! I love it. Stop hitting me while I'm hitting them. That's very rude.
Alright!
Oh, I love it. I love it so much.
Cool!
Cosmos. Fuck off me, bro. I don't need it, mate. I don't need it. Yeah. Some sneaky coins over here. Classroom. Burning classroom. Can't tell me what to do.
here. I dissected a frog.
Oh, dead frog.
That's gross.
Yeah, seriously. Ow. I remember one time, my freshman year, when I was in Paris,
Oh man, don't these dudes
we
ever
dissected
stop
frogs in our class, but I had a couple of friends who were reading Lord of the Flies at the time, and the dudes behind me decided that they were going to chop off the head of their frog since the experiment was over, and put the frog's head on a stick, and I actually started crying. Not because, I didn't, I thought it was funny and everything, but also I kind of like frogs, and the smell of the formaldehyde made me ridiculously nauseous. So,
Ooh, I don't have this one yet.
combine all of that stuff, and it was just a really sad day. Oops, sorry Nick. I'm not really a cheerleader in real life, so I don't know much about all this. She's the funniest thing. Oh, what now? Okay, lady, you need to chill down.
You guys have no respect for the bad.
It's good to have pride, but come on. You're gonna be so crass about it. Ow, that hurt. What is happening right now? What is she? Oh, she's shooting me. Stop shooting me. Yeah, gotcha. Yep. What Oh, welcome to the collection, Stephanie.
Carrot Top.
Actually, no, it's Stephanie. She's the sweetest. One of the sweetest of all of the ladies. Boom. Alright. Yeah, that's not a trap. That's just really fun to do. Yes! Oh.
Cool.
Okay, alright. Let's do it. Ruby Hunter. Y'all hear that? I'm Ruby. Oh, we're still here. But no longer. Oh wow, I just checked the time. This is like a 30-minute video.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pop it.
Pop it. Ow, that hurt a little. That hurt okay. Nice. Okay, sweet, cool. Alright, can I go now?
Quit opening and closing the door, dude. Ready? Yay!
Yeah, look at all them queens. I love it. Yes, yes. Well, come on then. Come on then, you don't want that. Insta-kill. Yes, that will do just nicely. Alright, we made it to a checkpoint. Now, if I am correct, that means that I can stop it here, and we will come back for the big bad boss battle, which I'm pretty sure that there is one coming up. This level's really long. Giggity. Alright, so I'm gonna stop it here, and we'll come back later. Look at, she strikes a pose. Don't look at my skirt. I'm so scared. I wear this tiny little skirt, and I don't expect people to take a peek because I'm oblivious. That's what happens, Juliet. That's what happens when you do that. I'm not saying anything bad, just if you don't want people to look up your skirt, put jeans in your duffel bag. You can fit a chainsaw. You can fit jeans in your duffel bag. She didn't think about it. She probably just wasn't planning ahead. So, alright. That's that. I am going to end it here. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you didn't, please tell me why in the comment section. And if you want more, subscribe. Click it. Click that shit. Click that button and subscribe to me. Oh yeah. Okay, well, that's all. I'm Harbinger. Don't lose your heads.